up, motherfuckers? This is Genocide Productions, and we're gonna teach you how to make a DIY fire in the fucking beach at the fucking 2 a.m. You don't believe me? It's 2 a.m. Look at my fucking phone. 12:27.
Yo.
Fuck with me.
Yo, is that Pacific Standard Time?
Yes. You can get some of this fucking sand. Get some of this motherfucking sand out this motherfucking hole. Put some wood in this shit once it gets nice and big, and then you got a fire pit. What do you fucking expect? It's a hole in the ground, pussies.